Hi, welcome to Python Bytes. I'm gonna show you a basic for loop statement in Python. It's quite fundamental, so you should definitely learn it. So let's begin without further ado. So my list, I'm creating first a list so that we will use with a few elements inside. And now let's cycle through this list. Let's print out all the elements. So to print out all the elements from the list, I'm using for item in my list. So what it will do, it will cycle through the my list and it will assign each of the elements into item. And now I'm using the print item, and let me convert the numbers to strings. So it should now print out items, each one in a row. Let's see if this works. So you can see it was printed out properly. We can as well use range to cycle through it if we want to be a little bit more explicit. So for I in range up to the length of our list, and you will now have to take elements from the list itself. So I'm taking an index and I'm going to print out element of this list. So I got exactly the same result. What is interesting that the range can take multiple parameters. So it can have a starting point and it can have the ending point. So start and end. And in this case, it should print out elements not from beginning to the end, but it should limit it a little bit. So you can see that it started from the third element and it finished before the last one. We can as well display every second element. So if you want to go through and cycle through this list and display not element one by one, but let's say every second one, we can do it by the step parameter of the range. And you can see that it will now display 1, 3, and the last element. So these are basic loops in Python. Quite easy, I think, so hope you enjoyed this video.